We're standing on the edge of one of the biggest economic shifts in human history, and it's all being driven by artificial intelligence. Now, this isn't just about cool new tech. It's about a fundamental redefinition of work, creativity, and yeah, even wealth. So if you want to understand what's coming, this is your guide. To give you a sense of the scale we're talking about, by 2025, AI is expected to add over $15 trillion to the global economy. That's a number that's kind of hard to even wrap your head around. This isn't a wave. It's a tidal wave of opportunity. And the most crucial part? You don't need to be some top engineer at Google to write it. And let's be crystal clear about the timing here. This is not some far-off sci-fi scenario. The reality is simple. AI is already here. It's powering the tools you use every single day, the content you consume, and the businesses that are just exploding in growth. The change isn't coming, it's happening right now.
So what does this change actually look like? Well, it's a fundamental shift in how we create value. We're moving away from an economy that's all about labor to one that's all about leverage. Let's break down what that really means.
Think about it. In the industrial era, wealth came from owning and controlling big, expensive machines. But in the AI era, wealth comes from collaborating with intelligent ones. Your creativity, your knowledge, those are now scalable assets. A single person with the right AI tools can do what used to take an entire team. It's a total game changer.
This new economy really rests on three main pillars. First, there's AI-enhanced productivity, which is all about using AI to do more and do it faster. Second, you've got AI as a service, which is about building tools that solve problems for other people. And third, AI-enabled innovation. Creating entirely new products and business models that just weren't possible before. You see the theme, right? It's all about augmenting what we humans can do, not replacing us.
So this brings us to a really important question for you. How do you plug in to this new economy? Well, broadly speaking, there are two main paths you can take. The path of the founder, building something new from the ground up, or the path of the professional, building an absolutely invaluable career.
All right, let's start with the founder's playbook. AI is without a doubt the greatest entrepreneurial equalizer of our time. Just a decade ago, you needed massive investment to even get a business off the ground. Today, a solo founder can genuinely do the work of 10 people. This quote from Dr. Onoja Anthony just hits the nail on the head. We are in a creative industrial revolution. What matters most right now isn't how much capital you have in the bank, but the quality of your ideas and your ability to execute them using AI. The barrier to entry for starting something new has just plummeted. So where are the concrete opportunities? Well, in the creative space, think way beyond just generating content. Think about AI-powered editing suites or fully automated YouTube channels that can research, script, and create videos all on their own. And for small businesses who are desperate for these tools, think about AI solutions for things like hyperlocal marketing or predicting inventory, stuff that until now was only available to huge corporations. But hey, not everyone wants to be a founder. And that's great, because the demand for skilled AI professionals is absolutely exploding. So let's look at the professional's roadmap for building a totally future-proof career in this space. The career path can really be broken down into three simple steps. First, you got to build a solid foundation. That means software engineering and machine learning fundamentals. Second, get your hands dirty with large language models. Learn about prompt engineering, how to use APIs, and advanced stuff like RAG, which helps AIs use external knowledge. And finally, focus on mastering the brand new roles that this tech is creating. So what do these new roles even look like? Well, we're seeing huge demand for AI product managers who can guide strategy, prompt engineers who are basically experts at talking to AI models, and AI ethics consultants who make sure we build all this stuff responsibly. These are high-impact, high-demand careers that are popping up right now. Okay, so we've talked about the how, the founder path, and the professional path. But a critical question is still on the table. Where should you actually apply these skills? Where is the real money and innovation actually happening? Right now, 4 major sectors are just AI hotspots. Health and biotech are being totally transformed by AI-powered diagnostics. Finance is using it for everything from trading algorithms to fraud detection. Education is getting personalized with AI tutors. And entertainment, well, it's creating entirely new forms of media. If you can find the spot where your passion intersects with one of these booming sectors, you've found a gold mine.
Okay, so whether you're a founder or a professional, you need a repeatable process to turn your ideas into reality. This is where the Builder's framework comes in. Think of it as your universal toolkit for getting things done in the AI economy.
The framework is 5 simple but really powerful steps. 1. Find a real, painful problem that people have. 2. Build a first version quickly. Use existing AI platforms. 3. Get feedback from actual users immediately. Remember, feedback beats perfection every single time. 4. Figure out your business model. And 5. Scale up, but do it responsibly. Now, that last step, scale responsibly, is maybe one of the most important parts of this whole thing. As we all race to build with this incredibly powerful technology, the long-term winners are going to be the ones who think really carefully about how they build. You know the saying, this technology gives us immense power to solve problems, but we have to be really clear-eyed about the risks. We're talking about the potential for algorithmic bias, serious privacy issues, and the incredibly rapid spread of misinformation. Tackling these isn't an afterthought. It's a core responsibility for anyone building in this new era.
So, here's the crucial point. Long-term success will belong to those who build trustworthy systems. That means you've got to prioritize fairness in your data, be transparent in how your models work, and always keep a human in the loop. In the new AI economy, trust is the ultimate currency.
So looking ahead, where is this all going? Right now, we're mastering text and image generation. The near future is all about multimodal AI that can see, hear, and understand context. And then, on the horizon, embodied AI. We're talking robots and agents that can interact with the physical and digital worlds for us. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's the next chapter.
This really brings us to the most important takeaway of all. It is so easy to feel anxious about this level of change, but it really helps to reframe the technology's purpose. AI is not here to take your job. It's here to take your job to the next level. Think of it as a collaborator, designed to handle all the repetitive work so you can focus on the creative, the strategic, and the uniquely human parts of what you do.
So, we've covered the economic shift, the 2 paths you can take, the hottest industries, and a framework for making it happen. You have the roadmap. The only question left is the one you have to answer. What will you build first?